Good morning, folks. It's Luke here over at Pine Acres RV in Moncton. I want to take a look at a 2020 Heritage Glen fifth wheel. It's a 34 RL. This is a huge fifth wheel. Love the fiberglass cap up front here. Made by Forest River. Take a look at the room. Wow. Aluminum construction, as you can see. Another great storage space right there. Solid steps. It has the extended season package. Let's go take a look inside. Ooh, I forgot to mention, huge power awning with LED lights. Outside speakers with LED lights inside them. And then we got a space here to hang up your TV. Cable and power connection right there. Okay, walking into the Heritage Glen. 4 chairs and a table. The little extension right here. Dual theater seats with cup holders. Great spot there for your remote controls. And both of them do that. A center ottoman. Couch. Storage. Hello, huge TV. Fireplace. Jensen stereo. Bluetooth capability. All right, to the kitchen. Love the center island. Look at those LED lights down low. Plugs. Pantry. Ginormous. We got the microwave, oven, 3-burner stove. Your residential style fridge. That's a great spot for a coffee maker, your toaster right there. Yep, sure enough, this fridge is an ice maker too. Lots of storage. Even those solid steps are actually spring loaded, so that it'll help you bring them up and down, nice and easy. All right, bathroom. Dual sinks. Beautiful shower with skylight. Another window right there. That is a ceramic toilet. Master bedroom. Yep, that's a king-size bed. Opposing windows. Give you great cross ventilation. Oh wow, love those barn-style doors. Let's go take a look. Oh, it's prepped for a washer-dryer. Oh, it has the Wi-Fi booster. Great closet space. Another spot there for your shoes. Like a post here in the middle. But no worries, there's another door over here. Yeah, there we go. That's huge. Love that big window. Great spot to sit down and put your shoes on. Another TV. Gotta point out that arch ceiling. This is not your entry-level coach. Beautiful. Come take a look for yourself over at Pine Acres RV, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.